acting. Depende sa projects na gagawin nila.
Ano naman po yung masasabi niyo sa acting ni James and Nadine ngayon?
Better, exciting, fun, and hot. Hindi, kasi mas mature tong Talk Back and You're Dead kesa sa Diary ng Pangit. Yung Diary ng Pangit kasi umuusbong pa lang na pagmamahalan na at pagtitinginan. Ito mas malalim pa dun sa Diary ng Pangit. So, mas hot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tita, may question na ako kay Nadine tsaka kay James. Mukhang nakita talaga ng Viva and Skylight yung lakas nyo sa takilya. How do you feel na dalawang major production ang nag-produce ng inyong follow-up movie? Skylight and an ABS-CBN company and Viva.
We're really thankful to Skylight, Boss Vic, everyone. And I don't know, it's really flattering. I guess it means that they saw the potential after they watched Diary ng Pangit, and they really want to see more.
Of course. Nadine?
Same with James, very thankful kasi alam namin na may tiwala sila sa amin. So yun po, and we feel blessed na it's another big production po.
And 2 major productions.
2 major productions pa.
Correct.
Thank you.
Okay na, Miko. Chika. More questions, Tita Ethel?
Ngayon
Ay, talaga na, andun ka na.
ang susunod magtanong ay si Mario Bautista ng People's Journal, Malaya, at saka Showbiz Portal daw. Specified. Eto ngayon si Mario Bautista.
Direk, how does it feel to be back here after nagdalawang misis kung ano-ano kanya?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm back home. Because this is where I grew up. This is where I learned everything. This used to be my playground. Nung pumasok ako, parang, oh my God, a lot of memories, a lot of good memories and bad memories. Pero it's like coming back home, tapos mas kilala mo na yung sarili mo, mas alam mo na yung natutunan mo nung umalis ka. Yun yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. So I'm very comfortable.
At bumalik ka na you're a box office director.
Correct.
Diba?
Well, thank you. I acknowledge that. Thank you very much din. Sa suporta rin siyempre ng fans nila Nadine, ng mga bata, at saka ng libro. Sa suporta din ng press, definitely. Thank you very much. Pero ganun ako pa rin doon eh. Parang wala naman ng bago.
Kina James naman, will you please tell us more about the roles you play in the movie and how is it different from the start of the Pangit movie that you did before?
Actually, at the start, I really thought...
Tell us your names in the movie also.
I played the role of Timothy Odell Pendleton, aka Top. And siya yung leader ng Lucky 13 gang. He's really a bad boy. I thought Cross was a bad boy in Diary ng Pangit, but compared to Top, he's nothing. Top, he's nagmura siya. He's really he's really bad boy.
So si Nadine.
Ako naman po, yung character ko po is Miracle Samantha Perez, aka Sam. Well, dito po, hindi na po ako pangit. Maganda na po siya. And Sam po kasi, she's an overachiever. Tapos, tagapagmana po siya ng company ng parents niya. So, yung parents niya, she expects her to be the best at everything. Pero when she falls in love with Top, nag-iba po lahat.
So, paano nag-meet yung characters niyo?
Sa trailer, hinahanap mo siya, di ba? Sa trailer.
Actually, they meet at... Okay. So, what we can reveal for now is that they met in the mall.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, binaligtad yung situation of mayaman ngayon si Nadine. poor ngayon si James?
No, mayaman sila pa.
No, they're both, mayaman po silang lahat.
Mayaman sila. Okay.
Everybody's rich.
So, sina Yas and Joseph, anong roles nila?
Yeah, see, what's your role in the movie?
Ako po si Audrey De La Cruz, aka Audrey. Wala po akong alias. Pero Audrey, she's also an overachiever. Gusto niya rin laging maging number 1. Kaya nung kay Samantha, ang masasabi ko lang din po is, I'm competing with her. At dahil po gusto niya po si Top, gusto ko rin si Top. Kaya galit ako sa kanya.
May love triangle pala, Tito Mario.
Yun. So, basically, yun lang po. At sa huli, baka meron pong something na kailangan niyo pong abangan.
Wow.
So, rivals kayo, maski sa school?
Yes. Rivals to school, K-Top,